Here's the Canon Fuse 2026 fuse test. We got a few more fuses this year. And a drone to take it with. That one's slow. That one's a little faster. And he took off. This one's supposed to be 27 seconds a foot. And it flew too. This is the, I'm not sure. It's pretty fast though. This is the new Cambodian fuse. Supposed to be 20 to 25 seconds. And hit, took off. And here was the old blue fuse that we had. 15 to 20 seconds a foot. And it took off too. This is the new blue Cambodian fuse. Oh, that's pretty fast. Whoa! It flew all the way over there. This is the pink Cambodian fuse. Here, step over there just a little bit. And it went up to take out the drone. Assassin Red, he's always pretty fast. This is the fast new fuse I got from Pyro Creations. So this is the first of the fast fuses. Yeah, yep, pretty fast. Here's the green fast fuse. Pretty fast too. All right, we got two from Phantom Fireworks. Supposed to be both the same speed. Let's see. That's pretty quick. All right, here's another one. Pretty quick.
And the last one.
And here's the fastest.
Take the drone out one shot.
2026 fuse test, Pyro 606, Stevie the Virus, out.